Please welcome Sonu Subudhi.
In the recent years, viruses like SARS and MERS have emerged, and they have the capability to infect human beings. These viruses infect human beings, and they cause severe cough and cold, and even sometimes causes death. In 2003, there was an outbreak of SARS, which affected more than 8,000 people, and more than 700 deaths were there for this virus. Scientists tried to find the source of this virus, and they found that bats have a virus which is very similar to that of the SARS virus. But here's the catch: bats themselves don't die due to this virus. They even don't have any kind of symptoms for this virus. So my question is, why don't bats get sick due to this virus, whereas we do? In order to know that, first of all, a virus is made up of two things. The inside part contains the nucleic acid, and the outside part is made of protein. The inside part, the nucleic acid, is like the computer program which has the information of how exactly to make the outer protein. Now, in the context of the SARS virus, there is one particular protein called as the E protein, which is highly harmful for the human cells. It causes death of the human cells by suppressing the ways our human cells has the ability to fight the SARS virus. So this E protein suppresses our cells' mechanism to fight the virus, and in turn leads to its death. But since bats survive these viruses, they have got a mechanism to combat the E protein. So what my study focuses on is, how does bats exactly survive? What I am doing is, I am taking human cells and I'm taking bat cells. I'm putting E protein of the SARS virus into both of them, and I'm comparing what are the effects of this E protein. What we saw, that there's one particular pathway which is different from human beings, and that pathway is the mechanism by which bats are actually able to survive. What we are now trying to do is, we are exactly trying to focus what particular part of that pathway the bats are able to use. Once we know that, then we will be able to harness it for our own use so that we can survive like the bats do. We are not exactly trying to create a Batmans, but still this idea may work. Thank you.